Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create Google My Business account and get verified. First, open Google Chrome and search for Google My Business. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This should take you to the Google My Business homepage. On the homepage, click on the Manage Now button to start the process of creating your business account. Enter your business name in the provided field and click on Continue. Next, choose your business type. Select the option that best describes your business and click on Next. If your business has an online store, add the URL in the designated field. Enter a business category that best describes your business. This helps customers find you when searching for businesses like yours. Now you need to enter your business address. Fill in the details such as country, region, street address, city, sector, and postal code. After entering your address, select where your business is located. This can include specifying if your business serves customers at a physical location or if you deliver goods and services to customers. Enter your business phone number. This number will be used for customer inquiries and verification purposes. You will then have the option to put your business on the map. This allows customers to find your location easily. Next, select a way to get verified. Google may offer several verification methods, such as postcard by mail, phone, email, or instant verification. Verify your business details to ensure everything is correct. Make any necessary changes before proceeding. Once you have reviewed your details, click on the option to start the verification process. Depending on the chosen method, follow the specific instructions to complete verification. After completing these steps, your Google My Business account will be created and your business will be in the process of being verified. Once verified, your business information will appear on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for customers to find you. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.